The outcomes of this video include work with multiple documents, format text, format paragraphs, format pages, format a document, templates are used and created. Work with multiple documents. Hi everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going through Learner Guide 117924 and it has to do with Word. The first thing to do is to open two new Word documents. So we can open one. And we can go File, New, Blank Document. So there we'll have two blank documents open at the moment. To switch between them, you can go from document 1 to document 2 and from document 2 to document 1. So if you hover your mouse on the Word icon, you can move between them. To show the windows side by side, you can choose View and you can show the windows side by side. And there we have a document 1 and document 2 are next to each other. This way you can work on document 1 and then you can start working on document 2 at the same time. So for example, we can type hi, this is a test message, select it, right click, copy, click in document 2, right click, and paste. Format text. In document 1, we can highlight the text and apply a border to the text. And to apply shading to the text, we can select text and choose to apply shading. We can enter twice. You can see the border continues with it. If we don't want the border, we can select the border, choose no border. To add the current date and time, we can insert date and time, and we can choose the format that we'd like the date to show as. I'm going to choose the second one, and we can say OK. If we'd like to insert a symbol or an equation, we can go to the right-hand side, and here's the symbol option. And there's many options available. Let's insert the trademark symbol. And if we'd like to apply hyphenation, we can go to the home ribbon, and we can choose to show the hyphenation. To change the character spacing, we can select the text. In the home ribbon, we can choose the spacing option, and we can change it to 2 point. Format paragraphs. If you'd like to set a tab in the View ribbon, you can select Ruler, and you can see the ruler will come up, and you can drag the tab for where you'd like it to start. To undo, you can choose the Undo button. To apply bullets, you can go to the Home ribbon and choose the Bullets option. And to remove the bullets, you can say None. To add numbering, you can go to the Numbering option and choose the type of format you'd like. And to remove them, you can say None. To add a border, you can go to the Design tab, Page Borders. You can choose a 3D border, the type you'd like. Let's go with a double line. The width, 1.5 point. And artistically, we can choose something, although I'm going to leave it as it is. And apply to the whole document. You can say OK. And there's our page border. To remove a page border, you can go to Page Borders, and you can say None. To apply line spacing before and after a paragraph, you can click before the paragraph or sentence. And you can choose the line spacing option in the home ribbon. And you can add the space before the paragraph or remove space after the paragraph. Format pages. To change how your page is set up, you can go to File, Print, Page Setup, and here you can start changing to landscape. You can change the paper size from A4 to A3, for example. the layout from vertical to top to the center. The margins you can change. They're currently 2.54 centimeters. And once you're happy with your changes, you can set as default if you want to, or you can say OK. To insert a manual page break, you can go to the Insert ribbon, Page Break, and it will create the page break for you, as you can see. To delete a page break, you can just go to where the page break is and backspace. Format a document. To format your document using a template or style, you can go to Design, and here you can choose a theme, such as organic, for example, and it will change the text style. You can also change the colors, the fonts, and to add and remove a header, you can go to the Insert option, Header. You can choose a template header, and you can start typing what should be in your header. When you're done, you can close the header and footer. To remove a header, you can double-click on the header and delete the text that you've written in. When you finish, you can close the header and footer. To add page numbers to your document, you can insert page number at the bottom of the page, and then you can close the header and footer. And as you can see, the page numbers are there. To split your document into sections, you can go to View, Split, and it will split it accordingly. To insert an endnote and a footnote, we can go to References, Insert Endnote or the next footnote, or we can insert a footnote, and we can start typing our footnote. And there we go. There's our footnote. And the same would apply for an endnote. To insert a section break, you must go to Layout, Breaks, Section Breaks. There's quite a few of them. Next page, continuous, even page, or odd page. If we were to choose continuous, for example, it'll create the section break. And to delete a section break, we can just backspace. Templates are used and created. To create a document using an existing template, we can go File, New, and here are the templates down here. Maybe we'd like to create a calendar or a modern cover letter. We can choose a template from one of these, and we can say Create. Here we can start entering our own information. To save this as a template, we can go File, Save As, Browse, Documents, find the folder we've been saving in, and we can save it as a Word template. And we can say Save. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please share with as many people that you might feel could benefit from this training. Thank you.